Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, where today we're diving into a groundbreaking portable smart speaker that's making waves in the audio world. This is the Brane X, a speaker that promises to redefine what we expect from compact audio devices. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Brane X isn't just any portable speaker, it's packed with innovative technology that sets it apart. Featuring Brane Audio's proprietary Repel Attract driver technology. This speaker achieves astonishing bass performance from a modest form factor. It utilizes additional magnets to cancel out air pressure within the enclosure, allowing for deep, resonant bass that defies its size. In terms of design, the Brane X sports a straightforward, lunchbox-like appearance with a convenient carrying handle. Its construction is rugged and durable, boasting an IP57 rating for dust and water resistance, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The top surface houses capacitive touch controls for easy operation. What truly sets the Brane X apart is its connectivity options. It supports Wi-Fi, AirPlay 2, Spotify Connect, and Bluetooth 5.1, ensuring seamless streaming from various devices. With the Brane app, users can fine-tune audio settings, adjust EQ presets, and even create multi-room setups by pairing multiple Brane X speakers. Now, let's talk about the most crucial aspect: sound quality. The Brane X delivers an exceptional audio experience with its dynamic range and clarity. Whether you're into bass-heavy tracks or nuanced classical pieces, this speaker impresses with its ability to handle everything from deep lows to crisp highs without distortion. During testing, the Brane X proved its mettle by reproducing music with a richness and depth usually reserved for larger, more expensive systems. It can reach impressive volume levels without compromising sound quality, making it suitable for both casual listening and hosting gatherings. In conclusion, the Brane X stands out as a top contender in the premium portable speaker market, offering unparalleled sound quality and innovative technology. While it comes at a higher price point, its performance justifies the investment for audiophiles and music enthusiasts seeking superior audio experiences on the go. That wraps up our deep dive into the Brane X smart speaker. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more content like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for updates on the latest in consumer technology. Thank you for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.